got this Crockpot liner here. It is summertime. I'm gonna make a cake in my Crockpot. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your pie filling and just put it in the bottom of the Crockpot. Now, if you're not using a liner, just spray it with cooking spray. Now I'm using strawberry pie filling. You can use cherry pie filling, blueberry, blackberry, any flavor of pie filling that you want. Okay, got it down here in my Crockpot. Then I'm going to take 1/2 cup, a stick of butter or margarine, and melt it. And then I have my box of cake mix and my water. And then we are going to stir this around. Okay, then we're going to take and we're going to dollop this all over our pie filling. Then we are going to cover this and bake it on high. So I am taking the top off and let it finish cooking for all the condensation to come out for the next, for the next half hour. There is the dump cake. Oh,